Right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today you join me in the back of my Vauxhall Zafira. I don't know if you remember in the last video I mentioned about these drill brushes that I've bought offline because I wanted to get a few stains out of the seats of the cars that the kids have spilt drinks on. So I thought I'd bring you along for the ride. So let's take a look. Right then, so I'm not sure how these are going to come out on camera, but I don't know if you can see from all these stains going all the way up round there. So I thought we'll just have a quick go trying to get them out and see what we can do with these drill attachments. So I'm going to be trying this brush here, and that will be going onto my DeWalt drill. And what else I'm going to be using, I'm just going to spray a bit of this on. It's just a little bit of washing liquid that you stick in the washing machine, about a cap full of washing liquid and some warm water, just to agitate it a bit, and we'll give that a go and see what happens. Right then, so I'm just going to whack this in the old drill. I'm just going to spray a bit of this on the seat. I don't want to go too mad soaking it, it's just to give it some sort of chance. Right then, let's give this a go. Right then, so yes, it feels dry already, to be honest with you, but I will leave that for a couple of hours or so, and I will leave that to dry for a good couple of hours or so, and I'll bring you back and have a look to see what it's like when it's dried, to see if the stain's actually gone or if it's still there. It might need a couple of goes going over with that. So also it's got I don't know if you remember me saying, it's got these other attachments on, like a Brillo pad. So what I thought is I'd give a go on the old cooking pans at the bottom, you know, where they get the old burnt and carbon on the bottom where they go black. I thought we'd give it a go on that and see what brings them up, like with a bit of soap on them, and because they're a nightmare to clean. We've tried it using wire brushes and it just takes so much effort, so they just stay as they are basically. So let's go inside and have a go of one of them. Right then, so back in the kitchen, and if that's what I'm on about, look, if you see that sort of build up of just burnt grease and carbon on your bottom of your pans, so I thought we'll have a go at tackling that with the scouring pad on, because we've tried it with this and it's just too much hard work. So I thought I'd stick a bit of bicarbonate soda on it, and again, this is just my way of doing it. You ain't got to do this. A bit of water. Just going to wet the pad. And then if you can see there, it's actually getting that off not so bad. A little bit of water trickling on that. Oh, getting the drill right there. And you can actually start to see that it's actually a Russell's Hobbs pot, which you couldn't see that before, so it's not doing too bad. I'm going to stick a bit of washing liquid as well on that. I mean, it's coming off relatively easy, it's not. You can see the total difference in that already. Anyway, I'll try another go at that, I'll come back to you in a minute. Right then, so I've been doing it for about 3 minutes now, and I don't know if you agree, but that's totally better. I mean, I will carry on and get them off in a minute, but I'm just showing you what can be achieved by, and I mean that's what it was like. Look at the beginning, like that. So to that, I think we've done pretty well on that. And I don't mind cleaning the pans if I get to use a power tool. So just show you on the side, it will come off inside. That you can see there, it's polishing it straight up. So we'll leave that one there for a minute. Right then, so we're back in the car now, and I don't know if you remember, we had the big stain coming up around here somewhere, and it's been it's been about 3.5 hours now. So the seat is fully, it wasn't very wet when we started, but it's totally dry now, and I'm quite pleased with that result because I can't actually see the stain there anymore. So yeah, for literally to take that stain out, it took me about a minute and a half. I was going over that with that bit of solution that I had in the bottle there, which was a cap full of washing liquid to some warm water, and I had that brush on just to massage it in. So I mean, you could do it by a scrubbing brush, and I've tried it, but I weren't getting the results I was getting with something like that, and it just so much easier. So this ain't no paid advertising. This is just something that I've seen online advertised. I thought I'd give it a go, and yeah, I mean it's fantastic. I think it cost about 12 or 13 quid, and it's got all these different attachments. I say you can do your kitchen pans with it. I'm going to have a go at polishing my headlights. I think we're putting a bit of polish on this just to give them a bit of shine back because they've gone all dull. So yeah, I think it's a good all-round multi-round tool for the sake of 12 or 13 pounds. I don't think you can go wrong, really. So yeah, let us know what you thought about it. It does save a lot of work and a lot of elbow grease. If I say, just get yourself a little, it's still wet that one, look, just get yourself a little battery drill. Well, you can even do it with a cordless one. It don't matter. Just you don't want to be playing with water with an electric drill, really. So I'd recommend the battery one. But yeah, let us know what you think about that. And until next time, see you later.